However, if you do still have an active Facebook account, it's important that your password for it is secure and up to date. Whether you're trying to protect yourself from a data breach or it's just been a while since you did a security audit of your various online profiles, here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your Facebook password. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three lines on the top navigation bar. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Tap Security and Login. Tap Change Password. Enter your current password. Type in your new password twice. Choose whether you want to log out of existing devices or stay logged in. We're doing the first option. Tap Continue. Select which devices you want to log out of, or choose Log out of all sessions. This is what we recommend doing. Tap Log out.